Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to use QuickBooks for Amazon FBA. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Step 1 is to set up QuickBooks. So if you haven't already signed up for QuickBooks and set up your account, choose the appropriate version of QuickBooks that suits your needs, such as QuickBooks Online or QuickBooks Desktop. The next step is to connect Amazon FBA to QuickBooks. So in QuickBooks, navigate to the apps or integration section, search for the Amazon FBA integration and follow the prompts to connect your Amazon FBA account to QuickBooks. This integration allows QuickBooks to import your Amazon FBA transactions automatically. The next step is to import sales and fees. So once the integration is set up, QuickBooks will start importing your Amazon FBA sales and fees data. This includes details of your products sold, order information, and associated fees. Review the imported transactions to ensure accuracy. The next step, the fourth step, is to categorize transactions in QuickBooks. Categorize each transaction imported from Amazon FBA. Assign appropriate accounts for sales, fees, shipping, and other relevant expenses. This step helps to organize your financial records accurately. The fifth step is to reconcile and generate reports. So regularly reconcile your QuickBooks records with your Amazon FBA account to ensure accuracy. Compare the data in QuickBooks with your Amazon FBA reports to identify any discrepancies. Utilize QuickBooks reporting features to generate financial reports that provide insights into your Amazon FBA business, such as sales report, profit and loss statements, and inventory reports. So this is how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.